Well, hey there, guys and gals, and all my pals. Welcome back here to Outfits Garage. Well, hey there, everybody. Tell us what you think about that new intro. I'm thinking about it, toying around with it, found some royalty-free music. I'm going to try that. If it kicks me again, I might kick the music out again. Hey, on today's episode, we are going to go to the hardware store. And I don't know how much of that I'll show you, but I'll take you a ride in Old David. I'll get you up here real close. Y'all like that? Hey, I'm going to tell you what. We're going to take a ride in Old David. We're going to run down to the hardware store and pick up a couple of tubes of silicone caulking. I got to do a little work around the toilet, and I won't show you none of that stuff. I mean, some of that stuff just, yeah, y'all know what I mean. We'll get back to some stuff here in the shop, as you can see, in the outfit. This is what we call it. People probably wondering why we call it Outfits Garage. I'll have to tell you that story again right after this. Well, hey there, guys and gals, and all my pals. Welcome back to Outfits Garage. You sit right there, Outfits Garage. Says it right there. Hey, tell me what you think. If you want to see some t-shirts, if y'all want to buy a t-shirt, if y'all are interested in a t-shirt, give me an idea what you think. If we need to make some more t-shirts, I'm about out of them right now, but give me an idea. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you want to see. All right, Russell here with Outfits Garage saying, God bless you. Outfits Garage is saying, keep a hammering, guys. Well, hey, guys, I got in here, went to editing this video, and I realized I didn't give y'all the answer for the reason Outfits Garage. The reason of the name Outfits. Everybody does garage, but the outfits, well, it's kind of like this. That shop, it's our outfit. Everything we do is an outfit. Like, check out that outfit over there. Look at that car. Man, ain't that an outfit? It's just a saying that we say, and some old timers used to call everything outfits. Especially if you watch old westerns, they always talk about, look at that outfit. What kind of outfit you gonna be riding on or whatever, and all that. So basically, that's the reason why. And I used to know a guy that called everything an outfit, so that kind of just stuck with us. That's the reason for Outfits Garage. Now you might be wondering who Old David is. Well, Old David is a truck. I'll show you. Right here is Old David. Y'all seen him before? You wonder why I call him Old David? Well, the story is behind this. My uncle was named David. And I acquired this from my aunt after my uncle had passed away. And I drove all the way to Alabama, picked this thing up, brought it home, and done a lot of work on it. And you can go back in some previous videos earlier and see some videos on this. I'll paint the front wheels. I still got to put some tires on here, as you can see. These tires are knee-deep in tread, but look at that. They look like the Texas dirt whenever it's dry out there. It is dry, cracked. These things are horrible. Knee-deep in tread, nearly brand new tires, but they're just old and dry rotted. So 10-ply tires, good tires, but I'm just gonna leave them on there until I can get this thing running and driving and legal, and maybe run it around town here a little bit. Maybe do a little driving around little short distances, you know, something close to home. I don't want to get them tires good and hot and then they start coming apart on me. So I'm just going to leave them on there until I can get some more tires. I'm working on this a little at a time, but old David is slowly coming back to a nice old truck. It's going to take a little bit. Get my camera set right. It's going to take a little bit because it's just an old beater. If you can see right here, I need a new rubber floor mat. Dash cover needs redone. I need to put a new headliner in here. Need a seat cover, but hey, it's an old truck. 1985 F350. Runs good. Got a 460 in it with 4-speed transmission. I've got to put a slave cylinder on the transmission or the clutch so that I can shift it a little better. But other than that, it runs real good. I need to put some exhaust manifold gaskets on it. That's a winter project. I've got it planned to bring this thing in the shop, in the outfit, and I plan on pulling the engine and setting the engine on the engine stand, taking all the pans off of it everywhere, putting new gaskets everywhere, put a new timing chain in it, possibly put a new oil pump in it. I mean, it's got really good oil pressure right now. I hate to mess with it, but it is a 1985 model. I need to put a speedometer cable in it. It needs a little bit of everything, but I'm going to be using it quite a bit this next year, pulling these race cars back and forth when Doug ain't able to make it. So I've got to put AC back on it. Just quite a bit of stuff. But first thing I want to do this winter is pull the engine out of this thing and fix the exhaust manifold leaks. It's just the 460s are bad about this. The manifolds are restrictive on these motors, so I might look at putting a set of cheap eBay headers on this thing. If somebody might want to sponsor a set of those things, hey, 1985 460. It's a F350, so I think a 150 up to 350 is all the same on that. So if anybody wants to sponsor a set of those, hey, send them to Outfits Garage, P.O. Box 304, Kensett, Arkansas 72082. That's our mailing address for this channel. And so if you want to help us out on that, if you want to help us out with anything on this thing, I noticed seat covers at O'Reilly's the other day, $40. Hey, that ain't bad. So just a little bit here and there. I'm going to redo the headliner myself. As you can see, the board's still there. I just need to take it down, wire brush it, put some new headliner material on it. I've got a brand new set of cab lights all ready for it, and that'll reseal that up. When I do that, I may possibly, some people's trying to tell me just to clear coat this old truck, but I don't know. We'll see. I may clear coat it for a little while, but while I've got them lights off, I might sand it down and work that top and maybe shoot a new coat of red on it. I don't know. I ain't done any body work in about 30 years, but I believe I can still do it. But anyway, y'all tell me what you want to see. Clear coat on this old truck, or let's redo it. Hey, y'all tell me. See if I can make it to the hardware store. Always bucky up for safety. Yeah, I need new window felts in the windows. I got them on my save list in my Amazon. I think I found a set for about $75, $78 with all the window felts. I get them in, I'm going to tint the windows. Thinking about blacking out the grill in this thing. I ain't for sure. All the chrome's peeling off of it. Instead of buying all new stuff, I might just black it out. Because I'm going to put a seat cover in here that's got black on it. If I do that, I may put a black headliner in it. I don't know. You can't find the material that you need. I can't find a red floor mat, so I'm gonna get a black one. So it'll all kind of match. Get me a new camera holder to stick up on the windshield. I might try to look for one of those this weekend. As you can hear, window felts are leaking. It don't have no window felts in it. But we'll get there, little piece at a time. I'm Johnny Cashing this thing back together. But old David is back on the roll again. It's been setting for quite a few years. I've been doing a little bit of work on it here and there, and yeah, it needs a lot of work. But go over there and check out old Buff's garage. He's been working on the old harvester, the old not the harvester, but his old haul truck, GMC haul truck. Look at that rig, and I think you'll enjoy his revitalization of his new haul truck. So that kind of inspired me to do a little bit of a series video on old David. So Buff, appreciate you. Hope you're watching this. I'll tag you in the video. And we're in an old 63 Galaxy. But anyway, appreciate y'all guys. We'll be back with you here in a minute. Well, that's where I went into Hometown Hardware. I was going to record inside, but they had a lot of music playing in there, and I've been hit for copyright too much, so I don't do too much music anymore on my channel because I'm trying to get monetized. So that's the why I don't do too much music, because it takes forever to get a video uploaded, because they want to check and double check. Sometimes it takes hours, if not a day or two, for a video to get uploaded whenever it has music or something on it. So I just assume not mess with it. Raining. And my smoker getting wet. I got to get that in here.